Our second speaker today is Davide PANTILE. He'll be speaking about new technologies and tools for immersive and engaging visitor experiences in museums, the evolution of the visitor actor. He is project coordinator of New Media Business Unit in ETT. And after his degree in computer engineering at Genoa University, he joined ETT in 2002, where he gained a significant experience as project manager and business analyst, dealing with customers and suppliers and coordinating staff involved in the projects, in the smart government area particularly. Since 2011, Davide works in the new media, where he deals with designs, offers, responses to tenders, preparation of R&D projects. I would like now to give the floor to Davide, and I imagine he will be making also connections to what you also referred to in terms of user engagement. Right, Davide? The floor is yours.
Okay, hello everybody, thank you, Ruba. Agnes' presentation was very interesting and is related on a technology, augmented reality, that also is used by our company. My presentation is more general and not focused on a specific set of projects like Agnes. And as I'll share some slides. As you can see in the title, I would like to briefly present our experience from our company, ETT. We are an ICT company, about the use of immersive and multimedia interactive technologies in order to get an immersive experience and enhance engagement in museum visitors, and so the evolution from a visitor to visit actor. Okay, ETT is a company based in Italy. At the moment, we are more than 250 people working on these three main business areas. Today, we are focused on experience design. So the use of immersive, interactive, multimedia tools, hardware and software, applied to culture, tourism, but also education, marketing, corporate communication, retail, where the main focus is for each of these areas to enhance and offer a better experience to our customer, to our museum visitor, to our client. So, what is our approach about the application of these innovative tools in cultural heritage? The starting point is that from the man of the road, from a general point of view, often museums are seen as boring places. And so boredom is the main, most dangerous enemy for a museum. What is the goal? That the museum must, if a museum wants to attract visitors, must surprise them. So, what are our guidelines? To use innovative technologies to enhance visitor engagement and interaction. To give visitors an active role, so transforming them from visitors to visit actor, in which they have an active and first-person role. And so the goal is to define an immersive museum in which our visit actor is absorbed into the storyline, is fully into the story that the museum has to tell. How do we reach this goal? With interactivity, with multisensory experience, with personalized contents. We have clear that we have a wide range of targets, from children to adults and we have to address our target with the different levels of understanding. We have to offer different content level. An important issue is to offer new content available when our visitors return to our museum. Very important from the museum's owners is to assure progressive technological and content upgrading. And very important, in my opinion, is that not the technology, but the message come first. Our applications has to put over the exhibition message, and not and the technology is not useful to use the most recent and up-to-date technology tool. The technological choice has to be driven by the message that our museums has to convey. So, using, as in Agnes' presentation was explained, instruments like augmented and virtual reality, we can amplify the experience for our visit actor. What are the tools that we use to reach our audience, our visitors? As you can see in the list on the right of this slide, immersive exhibition, interactive tools, mobile application, augmented reality, virtual reality, mixed reality. And we focused in the last 2 years, due to the pandemic, a lot on virtual events, virtual museum visits, and also tools like video mapping, gamification, touchscreen interfaces, sensor, hands-on exhibition, digital signage, and so on. We applied this technology both to public and corporate clients. So here on the left, you can see some of the more important museum and cultural institutions that with which we cooperated in the last 12 years, starting from surely you know Cenacolo Vinciano from Leonardo in Milan, Musei Capitolini in Rome, and so on. But just to give you a more clear idea of what I'm saying, I will show you a very short video reel that better explain what is our job as a technical partner of a museum and cultural institution. Okay. Just to give you in a minute an idea of what we do for culture and tourism.
Thank you very much, Davide. And the video was quite explanatory indeed of how you managed to provide a tailored, immersive experience to every client, let's say in cultural tourism, and the fact that you put your audience at the center of the game by trying to engage with every person with different content and different segmentation of the offer. It was very interesting, the conversation we had before the beginning of the webinar, actually, on the fact that you've been following many tenders lately because of the recovery fund, and how public authorities, but also private entities, are trying more and more to go for immersive experiences. So something maybe we can come back to at the end of the webinar.